Guess who am I?
You're definitely the one who will be cleaning up all this mess.
And also, I shouldn't be fat after midnight, and I can't stand the bright light. Nah.
Nobody feeds you. You're raiding out for it yourself. And you do it at night, so I don't reprimand you for that.
But what if I say that I shouldn't be splashed with water?
Then I would say that we won't start doing our craft until you take a proper bath. And we're planning to make Gizmo!
Hi guys! Did you guess that earlier today I was portraying the Mogwai?
Or the Gremlin! Hi everyone! Today we're going to make our own Gizmo out of this old Bratz doll.
This won't be the first makeover of ours, guys. Browse our channel for those videos and don't forget to give this one a thumbs up!
And like in those other videos, we'll start today by removing the doll's hair. Be very careful with the scissors, guys. Like this. There you go. Strand after strand.
Sue, let me help you! Otherwise, it will take forever. Okay, here we go. Abracadabra! Woohoo!
Let's see. It worked! Nice job, Sammy.
You bet! But what are we going to do about her face? She has nothing in common with Gizmo.
That's not for long. We don't need to remove her makeup or anything this time. We'll just use a special solution to degrease the whole surface of the doll's face. This looks a bit like a doll spa treatment.
I can see that.
Sammy, what are you doing?
What? Don't you like me with these eyes?
I'm not sure, but we need those for our craft. Guys, always remember to be careful with the glue gun. Here comes one eye. We'll glue it here. And this is another one. Okay.
Well, we can't leave our Gizmo without eyelids. He blinked quite a lot in the movie.
Of course not. And we'll use some soft polymer clay to make them. This amount will be enough. Uh-huh. Let's form something like an upper eyelid. This way.
That's good since I was really worried for her.
Don't you worry, Sammy. We just started. Guys, it's important to attach the clay really well and smooth it out. This way. So you might also need a modeling tool like this one.
So don't forget about the lower eyelid. We can't do without it.
Of course I didn't, Sammy. I'm making it right now. Okay, here it is. Looking good. Let's make the second eye. And done!
Sue, the doll looks pretty weird with those eyes.
I don't know. I kind of like her this way. Anyway, we should let the clay dry out. And in the meantime, we'll work on the other parts of Gizmo's face. Oh, guys, I just can't stop recollecting that old movie about Gizmo. It was about that little…
Sue, I was just about to start telling the guys about that.
Okay, go on.
One man happened to buy a cute Mogwai in a Chinatown antique store as a gift for his son.
Mogwai actually means something like the devil or the bad spirit in Cantonese.
Sue, you're interrupting!
Sorry.
Ahem. The new owners were warned about 3 main rules of having a Mogwai at home. No bright lights. No water. And no feeding after midnight.
That's right. But of course, the rules were broken and new creatures, the bad gremlins, appeared.
But luckily, they were defeated. The owner of that antique store took Gizmo back and it all ended well. The end!
Oh, that was fast talking, Sammy.
That's because you kept interrupting me, Sue!
I apologize for that. I just didn't want you to spill all the beans. You know, it's not as interesting to watch a movie when you already know all the twists.
You're right. Less talking, more working then. Where are we at with our craft?
Well, I seem to have finished with the muzzle. Gizmo can already be seen here. Right, guys? But now we need more polymer clay, because we're starting to work in his ears. They should be pretty big, you know. This way. Uh-huh.
What if you show me how to do this right here and I'll deal with the left one? What do you say?
I like that idea, Sammy. Follow my lead. And remember, be gentle. First, we need to shape the ear, like this.
Wow, Sue! This looks pretty interesting!
Then we'll make it look more natural. I mean, as much as possible. Don't be afraid to press a little harder. Now, we'll have to wait for a while so the clay can set. So, our ear is ready to go. Let's glue it now. Wait, where's our Gizmo?
Sue, stop the panic. Here he is!
Wow, Sammy, you also made his paws. They're so cool. They look so real. And these toes are so funny. Oh.
Sue, you know me. I always do my best.
Of course, Sammy, you're the master. Guys, let's glue on the second ear. There we go. Good.
Guys, be careful with the glue gun. Ask the adults to help.
Now we'll cover this part to make it look nicer. This way. Perfect.
Sue, I mixed something here. You'll probably need this.
Good job, Sammy. And I already prepared the brush. We'll use this acrylic paint in a nude color to start with. It's just like the skin color, you see, guys? Paint carefully.
Everything is perfect!
Yes, Sammy, don't worry.
I see that the work is going great. And which part will you color next?
It'll be the ear, of course, Mr. Inspector. Sure, Sammy, but a little bit later. Okay, only the feet are left.
No, Sue, wait! Let me do that! And bibbidi-bobbidi subscribity! Awesome!
Oh, Sammy, your magic worked out great!
And here's the paint, Sue. Thank you for your hard work.
Thanks, Sammy. Let's take care of the details. Guys, we're finally done with painting part. Just a little bit left. Let's make a cute belly for our Gizmo. And here it is. Sammy, Gizmo was kind of furry in the movie, so…
Say no more, Susan!
Great, now we can work on the last and most important stage of our craft. We'll glue the fur to his ear. And now to the muzzle. We will glue the fox fur in pieces, like this. Here comes the second part. This way. Oh, this definitely won't do. Let's speed up a little. Look at how cute he is! Woo! Oh, and this is what we've got. Hello, Gizmo! Oh, you're so nice to the touch! He's perfect from all sides. Oh, I love him already!
What do you think? Will these eyelashes make him even cuter?
Sure, Sammy.
It tickles!
That is actually a great idea, Sammy. Check this out.
Ha! Blown eyelashes definitely make it impossible to not fall in love with these eyes. Do you agree? Then give us a thumbs up.
you? And where's Gizmo?
Over here, Sue!
Oh, what's with the box?
I present to you the perfect Mogwai house!
I love it, Sammy. Isn't this guy the cutest of all? Oh. Guys, thanks for being with us today. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our craft and subscribe to our channel if you're going to repeat it.
See you, boys and girls! And now, a water fight!
Get ready, Sammy.
What?
Run!